Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're doing fire alarm testing. This is my homemade fire alarm system. Let's get into it. First, coming out we have our BB12. Pause it there if you want. Going up we have our strobe for notification appliances right there. This will be switched out probably in another video. We will see. Focus camera. Going over here, we have another pole station as well. Kind of, it's a push that I made here. Me and my little bro made this Lego. He's a Lego fan, so we decided to make it. Have a push button back and back, and when you click this, it pushes it. Over here, we have another notification appliance. This is a loudspeaker hooked up to the alarm IC, and this is a music IC. One music IC I used for a little system test 3, and yeah. Over here, as you notice, the normal light is missing right there, and you will see in a bit. Going over here, we have our control panel along with our wire box. But yeah, let's just open it up. Let me just get the key. Here we have our main control panel. First, let's power it off, and as you notice, there is wires coming out of it, and you'll see why in a minute. Let me just get to the next part. So let's just close our panel. Going over here, we have an annunciator. Light is pretty bright, so I'm trying to cover it up with a bit of tape. Kind of made a glare. Then over here we have an alarm. So that's for our alarm. This does turn off sometimes when this is touched. I don't know why. I gotta fix this. I gotta probably put some stuff on there so it doesn't do this so much. But yeah, it's weird. So yeah, let's get to it. So first, I'm gonna open up our panel again. Here, let's just go over it. We have our set button right here. We have our system silence. We have our acknowledge. So as you'll notice in our annunciator here, it does not have any switches or buttons or anything. So eventually what I'm going to do is have a reset button and a silence, but I need more equipment for that. So that's not going to come for probably a while. And there's not going to be acknowledge. And there's not going to be any power control. This is only in the main panel. Let's get to it. Strain that bit. Let's get to the first system test. First we are going to pull our VG12. You can pause it right there again. 3, 2, 1. Turn down. There is an acknowledge, by the way, now. It just controls a little fan that makes a buzz. But yeah, let's go ahead and reset the pole station. And our alarm is still on. And our power and alarm. So yeah, power, alarm, and yeah. Let's just reset the panel. Let's just reset the system. And system reset. And now let's turn those back on. Close the panel. We're gonna go for a test here. I'm just gonna poke it with a key. show you guys a little something. So if you go outside the room here, just 1 minute. I'm just gonna pop outside the door. Got a new sign there. And yeah, let's go to system reset. Let's go to system reset. Here we go. As reset because it just pushes and resets. This button, just like this. And system is normal. Let's just give it a little push. Oh yeah, by the way, here's what it looks like when this is done here. And yeah, that's it for this system test. Let's turn the power off. Here. Boom. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, smash the subscribe button. Anyways guys, I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.